Hello guys, today we'll do something different. Here I have, I think it's from a Toyota or a Hyundai, maybe a Hyundai because the key blank it uses HY5P. The P is for plastic. It's an Ilco number, but crunchy there. It wasn't like this. It wasn't this way, but okay. So the way it works, it's like this. It's locked. It's maybe in the trunk or something, and when you can unlock it, this part here, spring loaded right here. It's a 7 wafer lock. It's a car lock. It's the easiest car lock I ever seen in my life, so I would pick it. Open for you. Bottom of the keyway, and all the wafers are on the top here, so it's pretty easy to pick. Don't have to mess with both sides. So I will do it light tension and just kind of try to set things. Crap. So I will try the unlocked position because let me just determine this way. Yes. So now it's unlocked, and I will lock it back on. I got it so fast off camera. I think it's a little bit easier this way. Anyway, we got it afterwards. Here we go, picked. So let me get that apart. So I will just turn it back. Ah, crap. So I will use my screwdriver to remove the clip at the back. Clip is off. So we'll pull on it. There we go. We'll remove that spring. Crap. If my workbench wasn't so messy, it will be easier. So the spring is there. So I will pull out the key. I will remove the brass part to keep the plug in. There we go. I will insert the key and pull the key back out. And as you can see, I will just drop that. All the 7 wafers are in there, so I will count them with you. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, I miscount. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So the lock will work. I will just get one out for you to show you what they do look like. They look like that, just normal wafers, like in a filing cabinet or something like that. It will be the same, almost the same wafers, except those one have numbers on them. They are just a little bit thicker maybe than the one in the filing cabinet or on just crappy cam locks like those. And they are not all that easy. The Ford ones are serrated, quite a pain. watch the Luke Locke's channel. I sent one to him today. Ford serrated wafer lock. They are nasty. And this Toyota, I don't know if you will be able to make that out, but some of the wafer are split in half, so quite tricky to pick. But this one was all worn out and corroded with a duplicated key. So I will keep this one and I will pick it maybe one day. So here we go. Thanks you for watching, guys, and please stay legal.